What we've done is establish a starting place for a braking zone. Now, the whole point of this video is to show the discrepancy in how quickly a car can stop versus how quickly a motorcycle can stop. And what we've done is try and set up a little bit of test. Again, Susan is going to be driving her minivan, and she's going to start at 35 miles an hour and hit the brakes as hard as she can from that point to measure out how far it takes for her to stop from 35 miles an hour to 0. Now, what I'm going to do is put a cone at the front part of her bumper, and that indicates to you where she has stopped. And the second thing I'm going to do, once we clear her car out of the way, is show you a comparison to where a motorcycle lands, applying the same amount of braking intensity and force at the same mile per hour. Now, as you can see, these cones don't match up, and that's one of the most important things that we're trying to show with this video. It's a common misconception. First of all, cars are almost always going to be able to stop, for the most part, more quickly than motorcycles. As you can see here, the front of her minivan, where that stopped, is far different than where the front of my bike stopped. I would have run into the back of her van if I hadn't been paying attention, or we both hit the brakes at the same time. The entire point of this is pretty simple. The point being, if you take a bike and you're trying to compare yourself to a car, they are not going to be able to stop in the same distance.